Welcome to IHOP.
Workflow.
Yeah, 18.
I see that out there.
That's your commercial.
They need to bring that business over here to us. A smoothie jumping over there. Mr. Yeah. Need to bring that business over here to us. You know, come over here and get you some of this breakfast food. Smoothie's bad today. A little sun come out. Mr. Yeah. Man, it's a slow day, guys. It's been like this for a couple weeks now. Messing around with this lockdown thing, doing only carry-outs. Because of that beer virus. That good old cold beer virus. You got customers? Nope. No customers. Guess what, y'all? We got a customer that pulled right in front of our door. Let's see if she gonna come in here or go next door. Hey, I don't own no copyrights to this music y'all hear in this restaurant, too. Just to put it out there. Hey, my IHOPians, I want y'all to know too, not only my IHOPians, but everybody, I want y'all to know, like, I've been getting a couple new subscribers here and there, and when I see that in my notification, I always, subscribe back, so I show the love too. So, keep up the good work. Yep, keep it up. I just want people to know that. So, when they show me love, I show it back. Thank y'all. Yeah, that is your burger. I know I'm sweet, you know what I'm saying? I know I'm sweet.
I saw one of those. See my Grinch hat?
Oh, look at the Grinch hat.
I'm a mean one.
It's the Grinch.
I actually had one and it was a heart. It was a heart ring. And then the same as yours, but the ring wasn't round, it was heart.
It was heart.
It was be uncomfortable on the ring.
Yeah, that little point sticking in your finger or whatever.
Right. Talk to them. Tell them what you're doing.
They see what I'm doing.
Oh.
If don't nobody know I'm making a burger right now, something is not right. Ain't that right, my fellow IHOPians? Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Mr. Yeah. Yeah. It's Christmas Eve. We up in here getting it on like we do all the time. Get it on, get it on. I'm ready to go because I got a lot of cooking to do today. I'm cooking for Christmas, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start my dinner today. I'm starting it all today. So tomorrow I won't have that much to do, you know what I'm saying? Y'all wanna hang out with me tomorrow? Kick it with me at my crib while we have Christmas dinner over there. Let y'all see all this soul food I'm about to hook up. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited about it because I haven't cooked for Christmas in so long. I can only remember one time when I cooked for Christmas, but it don't matter. Tomorrow though, I'm getting it in for sure. I'm gonna start it today so I can get a lot of it done. By the way, y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm MLD73 and I appreciate y'all for tuning in. This IHOP Workflow 18. We on lockdown right now because, you know, all that stuff that's going on, that beer virus, you know what I'm saying? It's still going on. The numbers be spiking and spiking and spiking. And so government got us on lockdown a little bit. Just only doing carry out. I don't know if that's all over the world, but maybe all over the world, but who knows? I don't know. All I know right here in Michigan though, lockdown, only doing carry outs. Y'all see, got me a little lunch going on. I don't work hard. I don't work up an appetite. And I'm about to finish cooking this up and I'm gonna get to it. Yeah, y'all, so that's pretty much it. Just the burger with cheese. I'm a pretty plain dude. You know, that's how I like mine. So I don't like too much of that good healthy stuff. I mean, I know I should love it, but hey, whatever. Couple times. Well, you know, a few pickles on this joint. Oh, you know what? I like a little squirt of ketchup on mine. That's what's up. That is it, ladies and gentlemen.
I heard.
That is it.
I heard, Mike.
What? This is what we working with, y'all. Look at that. I'm jealous, man. I'm jealous, like for real. Like for real jealous. Tropical Smoothie don't play over there. They be wham, bam, jam. Thank you, ma'am, over there. What you got going on back here, Howie? Where he at? I think he playing hide and go seek with me. Uh-oh. Who ringing that bell? I got it. Who you think it is without even looking at the camera? Let's see who this is. That's my boy Rai. My boy Rai. It's my boy Rai back there, y'all.
Start coming at 9 o'clock.